G'day, I'm Lachie from Tent World Canberra. This is the Malamoo Extra 3-person instant setup tent from Oztent, and today I'm going to show you how to set it up and put it away again. So I'll unzip the bag, grab the tent out, and just let it unfold. Position it around the right way. Then it's as simple as putting pegs through these holes and pegging out your guy ropes. So now I'll show you how to put it away. What you do is you gather up these 4 hoops so they're all together. Stand the tent on its end. You should get a big D shape at this point. Hold it in one hand, stretch it over, and begin to loop it round. At this point you should have 2 loops up the top. You simply fold one over the other and collect all 3 together. And that's how you set up and fold away the Malamoo Extra 3-person tent.